thee above all things, with my whole heart and soul, because thou art all good and worthy of all love. I love thy neighbor as myself.
Almost 2-year lifespan on this one, or shelf life. Same thing on this one. Nice red sauce color there. Also a nice shade of red, not the same as the Chef Boyardee. They are side by side. Here's your Chef Boyardee. And here's your great value. A little bit thicker. So size-wise, this is the Chef Boyardee. They're about the same size. Here's your Chef Boyardee. And there's your great value. It looks like you get a little more stuffing on that great value, but it tastes a little more pasty on the inside. The filling is more pasty. Maybe not. They're the same. I think the Chef Boyardee is just a little sweeter. But yeah, there you go. Pretty good. Good eating. So which one is the winner? This one, because it's cheaper in price.